Ringo Starr, born Richard Starkey on July 7, 1940, emerged from the modest streets of Liverpool to drum his way into international fame as the rhythmic heart of the Beatles. Like a phoenix rising from childhood illnesses that left him isolated and behind in school, Starr's journey to stardom began with the syncopated beats of the skiffle craze. His first band, Eddie Clayton's Skiffle Group, was the spark that ignited his passion for percussion. By 1962, fate tapped him on the shoulder when he replaced Pete Best as the Beatles' drummer, a move that transformed a local sensation into a global phenomenon. Can you imagine the stories held within the walls of his Beverly Hills estate, blending rock history with Zen serenity? Don't forget to hit that like button, and let's get started. Known for his steady, understated drumming and the occasional spotlight vocals like Yellow Submarine, and with a little help from my friends, Starr brought a unique charm to the band. He penned whimsical tracks such as Octopus's Garden, revealing a surprising depth beneath his playful demeanor. Critics and peers alike praised his innovative drum techniques, which emphasized feeling over flamboyance and shaped modern drumming styles. After the Beatles disbanded, Starr stepped out of the shadow of Lennon and McCartney, carving his own solo path with hits like It Don't Come Easy and Photograph. His 1973 album Ringo became a critical and commercial success, featuring collaborations with his former bandmates, proving that even in solo ventures, he was never far from the magical orbit of Beatlemania. Beyond music, Starr's star shone brightly in film and television. From narrating Thomas and Friends to hosting tours with his ever-evolving all-star band, he blended showmanship with his signature peace and love ethos. Despite personal and professional ups and downs, including a battle with addiction, he reinvented himself, becoming an icon of resilience. At 83 years old, Ringo Starr lives a life that balances the tranquility of his peace and love mantra with the enduring legacy of a rock and roll icon. With an estimated net worth of £150 million, he resides in comfort befitting his storied career, often splitting his time between homes in Los Angeles, Monte Carlo, and London. Starr shares this charmed life with his wife, Barbara Bach, a former Bond girl whom he married in 1981. The couple does not have children together, but Ringo is a proud father to 3 children, Zach, Jason, and Lee, from his previous marriage to Maureen Cox, whom he wed in 1965 and divorced in 1975. Zach, a drummer like his father, has continued the family tradition in music, performing with bands such as The Who. Starr's hobbies reflect his multifaceted personality. A vegetarian who meditates daily, he embraces healthy living, but retains his playful side with a love for photography and an ongoing passion for drumming. His previous relationships, while often colorful, lacked the lasting harmony he's found with Bach, and he credits her with being a stabilizing force in his later years. Starr's real estate portfolio is as impressive as his musical catalog. Among his properties is a stunning Beverly Hills estate, offering a glimpse into his refined yet laid-back lifestyle. The house, a modern architectural marvel, is nestled in lush greenery and features expansive glass walls that blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. The living area boasts an open-plan design with mid-century furnishings, showcasing his taste for both classic and contemporary aesthetics. A serene infinity pool overlooks the city skyline, while the garden includes a Zen-inspired space for meditation. Starr's personal touch is evident in the home studio, where he continues to record music, and the walls adorned with memorabilia from his decades-long career. The estate reflects Starr's journey, one that marries luxury with a down-to-earth charm, much like the man himself. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.